Mental models to think through. Do you have in particular some favorite mental models, like you use it as a checklist for your decision making? Are there some of your favorites, or how you?
Well, I think one of my most, I would say, one of the mental models that have helped me the most in life is to be a clone.
Yeah.
Okay. And basically, I think that I still haven't figured out. I've been doing cloning for like more than 30 years. I still haven't figured out. Humans have some aversion to cloning. Most humans look down on cloning.
Why?
They think it's kind of like copying or cheating. It's beneath them.
That's great.
No, but what I'm saying is, so there are probably maybe 1% or 2% of humans who embrace cloning very strongly.
Yes.
And probably 98, 99% just don't care about it, or they brush it aside. So for example, if you focus on being an intense cloner, then you become like Sam Walton. So Sam Walton, for example, for the first 10, 15 years of Walmart, maybe 20 years Walmart, early history, they had no innovations. He spent an incredible amount in his competitor stores, and everything about Walmart was lifted. It was lifted from Sears, from Kmart, and all these other companies. Bill Gates, almost all the Microsoft products were either stolen illegally, okay, or they cloned it legally. But they didn't. When Microsoft has tried to innovate, they have fallen flat. And when they have tried to clone, they have done well. So their cloning hit rate has been very high. And you know, recently I was reading Sol Price's biography. It was written by his son. Sol Price is the founder of Price Club, which later merged with Costco. And the Costco, so Costco's business model came from Price Club. And Jim Sinegal used to work for Sol Price. So Jim Sinegal was asked one time, what did you learn from Sol Price? He said, it's the wrong question. He said, everything I know is from Sol Price.
Stand on the shoulder.
So he said, it's not like I learned this from Sol Price or that from Sol Price. Costco just took the Sol Price model, and from then till now, they have not changed.